to Red Oak number 2. Red Oak was an old town that was about 20 miles east of here, and an artisan moved it house and store and building by building.
Like many other rural agriculture towns across the country, the original Red Oak began to fade sometime after World War II when people began moving to the cities in earnest. After Davis had left the area for several years, he returned in the 1970s to find his hometown had become a ghost town. Today, each building in Red Oak 2 is privately owned. Davis lived in the Belle Starr house, where the infamous Lady Outlaw grew up, and owned several other buildings. Features whimsical sculptures by Lowell Davis, who is known as the Norman Rockwell of rural art. Lowell Davis passed away at home with his wife Rose by his side in November 2020 at age 83. The individual owners of the other buildings all maintain their own properties, which include private homes, stores, and museum-type exhibits. The general store run by Lowell's father, where he learned to sculpt and paint. In 1987, Davis lived on a farm near Carthage that was little more than an empty cornfield. The 1838 George Hornback cabin has been successfully restored and can be seen right across the street from the parsonage at Red Oak 2. This building served as the first Jasper County courthouse in 1841. In 2022, the Hornback cabin was assembled and the logs, ceiling beams, and chimney stones were relocated to Red Oak 2, where the Hornback cabin was restored. The Salem Country Church was moved to Red Oak 2 from 6 miles north. Renovations started in 1989 and were completed in 1990. The steps and foundations are made from rescued tombstones that had been replaced by families. Built in 1895, the one-room Elmira School taught rural children from grades 1 through 8 for over 60 years. Situated throughout the property are numerous old vehicles, Frozen in Time, A Walk Through Red Oak 2 is a vivid stroll through the past.